Well, hello. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hello, hi. My name is Gigi. I am an herbalist and a farmer. And before we dive into today's episode, I wanted to share with you guys how excited I am to have partnered with HISEA, a footwear company. So if you are a homesteader or a farmer, or if you know anything about homesteading and farming, you can probably believe that footwear is incredibly important. Keeping our feet comfortable as well as safe is extremely important here on the farm. And a while back, I invested in a really nice, expensive pair of boots to really protect my feet. But as I discovered during the summer months, I was really needing something a lot lighter, a lot easier to slip on, not so hot and not so heavy. And so I was so excited when HISEA reached out and asked to partner, and I went on their website and was able to pick out these beautiful boots that I have been so unbelievably just enjoying. They have just changed the game for working out in the summer heat, and I'm so excited to share with you today about these boots, about this company, but to also offer you a discount.
The HISEA brand offers a 100-year lifetime warranty on all of their products, along with a 100% guarantee to keep your feet dry and warm, which is so important on the farm. My boots arrived in the mail shortly after placing my order, and I was so excited to unbox them so I could start wearing them right away. My first impression honestly blew my mind. I was so excited to have partnered with HISEA. These boots slipped on so easily, and right away I could just tell how comfortable they were. I've been wearing them every day since they arrived and couldn't be happier with them. Use the link in the description box to check out all their different footwear options, from work boots to cowboy boots and even sneakers. Use the code LNFARMS15 at checkout to receive 15% off any shoe you decide to go with. Now, let's jump into today's video.
I've never, ever done this before. And of course I did it right now. This is so bad. This is so much wasted milk. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Of course I would do this on camera. Of course. So bad. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, geez. Not too bad of a cleanup. All right, so as you can see here, this garden, the S garden, is so overgrown with grass and weeds. It needs to be cleaned out. But among all of those grass and weeds, there's actually tons of butternut squash. So I'm going to harvest all the butternut squash and rip everything out. It is time to take everything out of here. There's also some watermelon and some tansy herb that we will harvest. But yeah, we're cleaning this whole bed out, and I think we're gonna do a big, I think we're gonna fill this whole thing with potatoes in a couple months. So we're gonna get it prepped and ready for that. down. Go on. Lay down.
Nope. Yeah.
Go lay down. 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 Down. Down.
Be able to lay down.
Lay down.
These two.
Buen provecho, baby.
Buen provecho.
That's not laying down. That's sitting up. Lay down. Daddy growls on YouTube. Wow.
It works.
Oh my god.
Mm.
It's so good in there.
Yeah.
You happy?
Mm-hmm.
So simple. We grew the squash. 2 different types of squash.
Mm-hmm.
Butter squash. And butternut squash. Crazy, right? And we grew the onions. So last of our onions.
Okay.
And we grew the thyme. And the oregano.
Good.
Who sneezed? Oh! One more can sneezed.
Mm-hmm.